All right, students, here we are at Desmos. So let's go ahead and go to the graph settings, take off minor grid lines. We had no title, but we were starting at -5 and running through +5 with steps of 1. No title for the y-axis, but we were starting at -2, running through 10 with steps of 1 as well. Take it off, settings. Okay, that's about the same graph we were seeing. So now we're going to come up here and we're going to do our table. And our table included 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different ordered pairs. So let's plug them in one at a time. Okay, so here we go. Okay, the first one was -3, 9, and then -2, 4, 1, and 1, 0, and 0. Okay, I screwed something up because that's supposed to be -1. That's better. Okay, and then 1, 1, 2, 4, and 3, 9. And if you look really closely, they're not lining up, but something interesting is happening because if I start way over here, it looks like it goes down, curves around, and comes back the other direction. Again, we refer to this as non-linear because it's not creating a straight line. What it is creating, however, is something in algebra. Now, if you click the plus, let's get an expression, and let's type in the parent expression, which was f of x equals x squared. Now, we don't need the f of x because as soon as you set an expression, you notice it said f of x. So all we have to do is x shift with the number 6 for the power 2, and look, behold, your first quadratic function. This symbol is called, or the graph actually has a name, it's called a parabola. Looks like it says parabola, but it's actually a parabola. Now, a few quick things that are really interesting about this parabola. Okay, first of all, you'll notice it has something called a vertex. The vertex is the lowest point, which is located right here, because if I start, remember, always read a graph from left to right, you'll notice it will come straight down, and then right here is where it curves, and then comes back up again. That's called the vertex. It is the turning point of the actual parabola. And you'll notice this turning point is at a special ordered pair, 0, 0, which is called the origin. That does not always happen. Now, I know it's kind of hard to visualize since I'm not there and I can't show you, but if we were to take a line and cut this guy right in half, right through here, and we were to take this side and fold it onto this side, well, you would only see one graph on one side. That is called symmetry. Symmetry means if I were to tear that sheet of paper in half right at the origin, 0, 0, I would have two pieces that are identical to each other. We refer to that as equidistant. So this point has no other point. If I put my pencil right here, I'm 1 unit away here, but I'm also 1 unit away here. If I put my pencil at 4, I'm 1, 2 units away, and 1, 2 units away. And again, if I come up to 9, I am 1, 2, 3 units away, the same distance, 1, 2, 3 units away. That's referred to as symmetry. So now we have all of our little pieces and parts put together. So all you got to do is share, export, and remember mine's is slightly different. I have to hit download. And when I hit download, it puts it in the bottom left. I think yours puts it in the top right. And then from there, you could just copy and paste it, and you'll be copying and pasting this onto part B.